Alright, I'm proud to bring you this one. We're gonna do an unboxing. I don't like unboxing things because boxes suck, but let's do it. Ba-bam! Look at that beast. Get this box out of here. $5. So this is the LTD Phoenix. Phoenix 200 DX from LTD. Let's get it plugged in. It looks good. It's a little dirty from the packaging. I'm gonna take these little things off. The humbuckers. Super not satisfying. Let's take these off. I can tell right away that the neck is dry. Like it needs some Dunlop on it. I love the reverse headstock. I love the roasted maple neck. And this finish is absolutely clean. I'm gonna get it absolutely dirty because I am a sweaty player. Anyway, hardtail. I love a hardtail. I am not a fan whatsoever of Floyd Rose tremolos. Sorry, this is my opinion. I hate them. Never had luck with them. Checking out the Phoenix 200 DX from LTD in red burst. It's got a roasted maple neck, bolt-on, 25.5 inch scale. Hardware is all black. Standard strap locks, standard LTD tuners. They're not locking tuners, but that's okay. It's got the ESP LH150 bridge pickup and the LH150N neck pickup. Electronics layout, volume, tone, push, pull. So you can get that, you know, Strat-like stuff. Rosewood fingerboard. Fingerboard radius, 350 millimeter. Poplar body. Flame maple top. Thin U neck contour. Does not come with a case though, that's sad. This thing is a metal machine. It is killer, dude. It sounds so good. And this black hardware, ooh, don't smash it. Don't smash it. The black hardware really like has a shine to it. It's like really nice. Pop pull, I probably never use, you know, it's fine. Toggle switch, you know, 3-way toggle. It's a beast. I highly suggest you get one. I love mine. I'm gonna keep it forever. Yeah, it is super sweet. Like super duper impressed with it. For, you know, $500, you can't beat this deal. Like, this thing is awesome. They also have comes in a black flame top, which you probably might know that if you're shopping on Zounds, which you should always shop on Zounds. Using my link in the description. Alright, well, that is my thoughts on the Phoenix 200 DX. Yeah, this thing is awesome. I love it. So that was the first impressions. I am super stoked and super happy for it. If you want to pick one up, I do have an affiliate link in the description. It would really help me out a lot if you would use that link and get yourself one of these bad boys. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Have a good one.